Hello, I am Janardhan Kaur. To tell about myself, I worked about 40 years in business organization like NTPC for about 38 years from executive trainee to executive director, and also worked as a managing director in Chhattisgarh State Power Generation Company, and remain in as director in various boards during my career. At the fag end of my career, now I am still working as a director in a private limited company. In all these years, I have seen a lot of people, young people working, and from my experience, I find that many of these young engineers in the career, they want to grow, they wish to be successful, they wish to be a effective team player, want to grow by getting promotion, becoming close to their bosses, colleagues, and they want to be effective in the meeting, but many of them, they could not, even if they have the right talent and knowledge, they do not make it to the grade. And I find for every aspect of the career, uh, what is required is that you should be a good communicator. Whether you want to be a leader, if you want to be a good manager, you want to be a successful salesperson in marketing or in planning, you are required to communicate. Either you have to talk to people in a meeting, or you have to make a public speech, or you have to make a presentation, and you have to even write to your customers and interact with them. So every aspect of your career for growth, and if you want to join another company also, you have to go to an interview, and you have to face interview and communicate properly, so that they take a note of it and you become successful in getting a placement. In all these aspects, I find that for a career growth, a person or executive requires to be a good communicator, be it uh, spoken words or writing, or even their body language, and all that is very, very important. So at this stage of my life, I feel that I should help a good number of people who are in search of avenue to get a good training or a kind of coaching for communication. And of course, there are a lot of books written, but reading it and assimilating it and finding it to work in their career is not that easy, because I have seen a lot of people have practical scenario how the people fail in communication and become frustrated. So with that thing in mind, and at this stage where I have to give it to the society, the business society, the experience I have gained, I thought that why not start a digital course which will be beneficial to these young engineers who are starting their career or have worked in their career in business organization for some time. And the basic objective is that okay, books are there, but they do not give the practical hands-on knowledge, and that too after reading a book or something that you do not know how to put into practice. So my design will be to make a digital course. So with a flexi time, they will be able to go through, but in a regular basis, there will be interaction session with these people to get a feedback, and to answer, there will be a question answer session, and there could be one to one talk to those people, so that they understand the thing. And also in the second phase, for 30 days, there could be a challenge to put the knowledge acquired into practice, and during this practice also handhold those people, so that they get the confidence and the clarity, and whatever difficulties they face while doing so, as a mentor by their side, I will be there to talk to them and guide. So, with that purpose, shortly I am going to start a digital coursework. So, the people who are listening to this, if they want to join, they can contact me, and soon I will start a webinar also on this matter. So, anybody interested in this, or he knows that who will be benefited from this kind of digital course and interactive sessions, uh, they can uh, they can contact me to my email address corj2007@gmail.com. Thank you. I hope that I will be listening from you soon. Thank you.